The tuck and roll shirt stay is an easy way to get a tailored look and keep your shirt tucked in all day long. After you have your shirt on, pull up the tuck and roll shirt stay, adjusting the belt as necessary and ensuring the opening of the clips is facing up and the logo is facing away from your body. Once pulled up, slip the shirt into the clip opening down past the second bite. Do this for each one of the 4 clips, placing 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Now it's time for us to roll. Start with the 2 clips in the front, rolling up the shirt in towards your body. Roll your fingers along that seam and do the same in the back. Repeat as necessary to ensure the belt is enveloped in the shirt and is sitting in a comfortable spot. Tuck in each clip under your pants, pulling your waistband above the device. Last is to put in your military tuck and check your gig line, ensuring your shirt is smooth all the way around. Now you're looking good. Tuck and roll. Salute the standard.